Dire-diretso lang anak ha. O, gandahan mo. Ayusin mo yan. Tingnan mo yung ginagawa mo. Mamaya ka manood. Tapusin mo na yung ginagawa mo.
Yeah, hi. Come to Sanctus right away. Nathan. We just found our daughter. Bring Nadine's mom and her. Tell them we're having dinner.
Very good.
Is she really there to talk? What time is right? I'm going to go investigate this break. They can clear it up with some
Very good.
DNA test, right? Apparently they're
Good
not
job.
having-
O, yung ribbon.
Something about
Yung ribbon niya.
that's off the tape on the page.
Huwag nang totopakin ha, Bel.
This is also the.
Sagot po.
How does a family like this
Sagot uy.
exist? To be honest,
Ha?
she's not so.
Ribbon. Opo, ribbon. O, ayusin na ayusin. Good job.
Known all over the world.
Hindi ba siya Rowan?
But
Oh.
she still hasn't shown up. Think of it.
Oops. This one oh.
I think she's dead.
Yan, sige. Color mo na.
Wala naman.
And girl today, she was strong.
Bilis na.
Surprisingly strong.
Huwag ka muna sumayaw. Sasali kita kay teacher. Sabihin ko, si Isabel po, sasayaw. Dadance.
A young girl is young now.
Okay. O, sige na. Finish mo na yan, box. Box ng gift. Ano?
How strong are the?
Ano daw yan? Anong color yan?
They say it can't measure. They won't do it. Not even for the art.
Would boys like this ever fight over me or something like that? Well, I don't like water.
Ayan siya eh. Hindi naman yun eh.
Hindi nga eh.
Looks like you two are a couple, right? Alright, let's get going.
Hindi naman natin ginagawa. Sa ship. Finish na ba? Bilis na. Ito pa, meron ka pa dito space oh. Wala pang color. Ganda mo naman yung color mo.
Let's see. Kung Dong? Want me to come?
Gusto mo, papaprint pa ako ng picture mo. Ayusin, ayusin. Tingnan mo yung ginagawa mo.
This is your room.
Finish na, Bel, sa red. Di pa po. Tapusin mo na, malapit na matapos yan.
Use that information from the news to pretend there were. What about her strength? Can you explain that? Not a single person was able to carry that weight before. You can't know it's her based on the level of strength we saw.
Maybe an arm wrestle will
Ano
come.
yun, yun nasa baba
Blood
mo.
type as well. And the fact that she left Mongolia when she was 5.
Tingnan mo muna yung ginagawa mo, lumalampas eh.
She jumped off the rooftop when she was 4. When a tree rat scratched her.
tell me she was hurt? I had every right to know that.
Doesn't matter. You were distracted with the money, weren't you? While I was busy with the housework and the kids. What would have changed if I told you?
Was it so hard? What's the big challenge in watching two small kids at home?
Yellow naman, yellow.
Didn't I? Why did
Asan ang
you take
yellow
away
mo?
Why?
I'm the one who was there for Down syndrome.
Very good.
Not you.
Here.
You spend time with your children at all?
Sige, color mo yellow. Wait lang. Ayusin natin para hindi ka mahirapan. O yan, sige. Sige, mamaya ka na dumance. Mamaya ka na mag-dance. Color mo muna yellow.
Monsoon was missing. You didn't think that would affect me at all?
You spoiled your child because all you've been doing all these years is being here.
Mom, it's your fault. Maybe I did being too much, though.
Ayusin mo yung hawak mo sa crayons mo.
Stop it! That's enough about the past! That's not what matters. Right now, we should focus on whether or not that girl is not too. It's not important, alright? Sit down! Hey, you two. Another racket for God's sake.
She's not hurt.
Hey, why do you keep saying it's not her fault, huh?
6 cents, I'm sure.
Yeah, right. What's 6 cents?
She's nothing like the pictures of Namsoon as a kid.
Because her life was hard. It's heartbreaking.
Namsoon has pretty clear eyes like yours. Come on.
Mami, ihilang ako. Mami, ihilang ako.
O, mag-blue ka muna. Asan yung blue mo? Apo, very good. Sit down ka. Iano mo yung paa mo para hindi na ano. Ipasok mo yung, opo. Ipasok mo yung paa mo dito para hindi ka nahihirapan. Nak. Yung pa isa. Yan, very good. Tingnan mo yung kinukulayan mo.
Hugasan mo na yan.
Dapat hindi lampas-lampas yan.
Bago.
Lagay mo muna dito. Very good. Tingnan mo yung kinukulayan mo. Hindi na nagpapantay ang kulay. Tingnan mo muna yan. Makinig ka na lang muna.
Tulungan mo na yan.
Careful. Gandahan ha. Gandahan. Tingin.
Ganda.
Opo. Tapos susugin mo para po hindi lumalampas. Ha? Bilis oh. Oh, wait lang. Ayusin natin anak. Itaas natin. Okay, go. Bel, ayusin mo na yung ano. Oh, ayusin mo yung pagkukulay.
Para matawaan niyo po yun.
Mabot ng Korea?
Oh, mami, umabot ng Korea. Natawaan niyo.
Bilis na.
Men, dito na naman.
Bel, ano nang ginagawa mo? Akin na nga yung red. Bilis na. Gawin mo na yan. Kung dinedire-diretso mo gawa, tapos ka na. Very good.
What do you think? Go ahead, make as pretty as you can.
Ayusin mo, lumalampas na sa bell.
You should make the most of life. All of this is yours. Let's go.
Saan yung babae?
Don't you understand? No. I said no, can't help you.
Okay, please let me look.
No, we can't give out another loan for you. You've been here several times this weekend. We have too many outstanding loans. We can't. Take care of it.
Tapusin mo muna yan. Sige. Pag hindi natapos, hindi mag-headset. Chuchu! Chagi chagi chuchu! Bilis na.
Wait, Miss Wong, this woman has given up everything she had within the span of a month.
Chagi chagi chuchu! Oh, lumalampas, Bel. Okay, sige. Chagi chagi chuchu. Oh, ayusin mo yan na. Yan, ayusin mo yan. Chagi chagi chuchu. Chagi chagi chuchu. Chagi chagi chuchu. Chuchu chuchu chu. Chuchu chuchu chu. Chagi chagi chuchu chu. Chuchu chuchu chu. Oh, chagi chagi chuchu chu. Chagi chagi chuchu chu. Ay, paano? Chuchu chu lang. Chuchu chu. Chuchu chu. Chuchu chu. Dapat mabilis ka kasi mabilis si mami mag-chuchu chu. Oh, careful ha, para hindi lumagpas. Chu-chu-chu. Chu-chu-chu-chu-chu-chu.
Ato.
Oh. Oh, sige na, go.
Green na oh.
Hindi green yan, blue. Baka,
Ayan na. Pink.
baka may naano lang na green. Opo.
Ano? O diba? Sabi ano kung ganyan?
Sige na, go.
O diba?
Oh, chu-chu-chu. Chu-chu-chu. Oops, yung kamay mo, yung proper. Yan, very good. Chu-chu-chu.
Blue na.
Chu-chu-chu.
Oh.
Chu-chu-chu. 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 Chu-chu-chu.
Wala naman ng blue.
Sige na. Chu-chu-chu. 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 Kung gusto mo, chu-chu-chu. Chu-chu-chu. Chagi-chagi, chu-chu. Chu-chu-chu. Chu-chu-chu. Ganun ba? Chu-chu-chu. Oh, mukha mo. Chu-chu-chu. Ay, na may space pa dito. Oh. Ay, sorry. May space, oh. Bilis na. Ito pa space na to, ah. Huwag na masyadong ano yun. Basta makulayan lahat. Yan. Yan, sige. Oh, careful. Lumalampas. Careful. Ito pa, oh. Bel, tignan mo to. Ito, ah. Ganunin mo.
Sinipa yung kotse.
Yan, o. Ito na. Bilis na bago ka matulog. At magpapaprint pa ako ng picture mo. Ang gagamitin mo yung small na. O, bilisan mo na.
We got intel of a new 11 o'clock left in the total. We don't have much time. Got 3
Pag may color na, okay na yan. Punta ka na doon sa space na walang color. Tingnan mo yung ginagawa mo, huwag lalampasin. Miss na, good job na, kakaunti na. O, yellow na lang tayo. Good job. O, yung yellow. Balik ka sa yellow. Balik ka sa yellow. Hayaan mo siya kumuha ng yellow. Pick mo yung yellow. 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 Ano ba ang yellow? O, sige na. Ito yung gift. Last one. Bilis.
Ano yung nasa?
Magpapaprint pa tayo. I-chat mo na si Bella.
We have no idea how they're hiding the drugs.
Bihira lang yung mag-online, mami. Lagi niya ano eh.
Bilis na kasi pag hindi ako nakapagpa-print, wala kang picture, wala kang assignment. Kanan lang.
Hello? Got him.
Asan ang right mo? Eto. Ang left mo nasaan? Very good.
Ang sasakyan.
Mayaman siya eh.
Teacher.
Chuchu! Pag mabilis ako, mabilis ka rin mag-color ha. Chuchu! 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 Gano'n ba? Paano? Paano? Ah, okay. Chuchu! Chagi, chagi, chuchu! Chuchu! Chuchu, chuchu!
Hindi.
Paano po?
Chuchu.
Chuchu! Ganun ba? Pumepreno na yun. Sige na, tapusin na para finish na tayo. Miss na, chuchu!
Factory engine, sir. The airplane will land in 5 minutes.
Chuchu!
Mami, saan tong akin?
Mamaya, gagamitin mo yun pag nag-games ka, tapos pati mag-headset, ha? Tapusin mo na yun para makapag-games ka, tapos naka-headset ka. Para hindi narinig ng dade. Lili pa rin yan.
Kung kasi si Bella online. Wala may 4 hours active si Bella. Sinat ko na ayaw pa rin mag-
Kay Tito Bunbun.
Kinikreto.
Ha?
Yan na.
Oh, parang ano yun, pencil ata. Ano?
Parang
Oh, sige na. Pumunta ka na doon sa ilalim, doon sa bottom.
bottom.
Dito.
Ito.
Dito. Para matapos ka na. Opo.
Ta.
Opo. Chuchu! Ganun ba?
Hindi.
Chuchu!
Chuchu ka na.
Chuchu! 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 Chuchu!
Ay, mami. Ayun.
Ah.
Mabilis pala mag-sensitive. Meron na daw po, mami.
Siyempre, papaprint tayo ng picture.
Ako din.
Picture mo nga yung lalagay natin dyan.
Okay. Tin, 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 tin. Tin, 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 tin. Tin, 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 tin.
Yun ang bottom muna. Unahin mo. Napaka...
When you were 5 years old, you actually flipped a car. Yes, that's not all.
Pati din po ba pangalan niya sa Belmari? Pati din po ba pangalan
O, basta isa-send ko. No?